MPC Sample allows you to transfer samples and projects to your computer using the USB-C connector and the micro SD card slot. Start by inserting a micro SD card into MPC Sample. Now connect the USB-C cable directly to your computer. Then holding Shift, go to pad 16 selecting SD card access. This will now mount the SD card to your computer's desktop. You can now simply drag and drop samples and projects back and forth to the MPC Sample and the computer, which is perfect to save your projects and move in your own sample libraries to the MPC. Once completed, press exit and you can now go to the SD card and access all of your own samples by making sure you're on the external drive. Here, you can go into your own libraries and load straight to the pads. Simply go into the folder, push down on the encoder, and the sample will be loaded on the pad. Thanks for watching this MPC Sample Academy tutorial. I'm Andy Mack, and I'll see you on the next video.